Now this one's for all the builders. It's tough. I'm a builder myself. I've been through it. You get tire kicker clients. You spend a lot of time quoting. You don't get paid for it. You're kind of getting the scraps of what's available in the market. Now, I've got a solution that I've been using for the last 15 years that enables you to trace over a plan and create a 3D model. I know it sounds strange, but something you can show a client. Something the client appreciates. Now with that 3D model, as you've traced over the plan, it also gives you a bill of quantities. So framing, bricks, windows, flooring, roofing, retaining walls, grass, anything that you can think of, including your overheads, can be associated with that 3D model. So it enables you to charge the client for a quote because you're delivering something they can understand. Most builders turn up with a plan and they turn up with a quote, and the client doesn't give it the recognition or understand the time it's taken you to put into it. They get 5 quotes. 4 out of 5 builders are guaranteed to lose that job. Now, with this solution, you can simply trace over a plan, you can charge the client for a quote, and from that quote you can associate prices with all of the materials, subcontractors, price for the subcontractor per brick, or price for the materials, and you can associate a supplier with those. You can set it up into schedules so you can also figure out what the correct amount for your progress payment should be, and you can also send it to zero. There's some really comprehensive stuff that comes out of such a simple solution. The biggest problem I found with the building industry is it's all disconnected, which means that it's very easy to make mistakes. So if you need to reduce the amount of mistakes that you make, not only in the paperwork but on site, Plus Design Build's a solution. If you'd like to book in a demo and we'll show you how to use Plus Design Build and how it will improve your business, by all means click below and we'll get you up and running and make you a profitable builder quick smart.